Hello friends, my name is Monica Pitts and I'm with Make Create Design, and today I'm going to explain to you how to add animations in Canva. Now what we do at Make Create is we build a lot of websites, and so I spend a lot of time in Canva making things like videos for websites and occasionally videos for social media for our clients. And one of my clients just asked, how do you add an animation in Canva? And so here I am explaining it to you too. All right, so to start off with, I have a canvas set up that is for video, but you don't have to have a video canvas because you can export any Canva graphic as a video. So it doesn't matter if it's set up as a Facebook post image or an Instagram image, whatever size it is, it's fine. Right now, this is set up as a video. Note that all you have to do is click on the thing that you want to animate, and then you click up at the top and you can choose how you want it to animate. So let's choose drift. I want it to drift in. Now each one of these animations has different variables in it. So drift has intensity and it also has its direction. Some of them though have the ability to decide if you're just going to have it come in or come out. And right now I'm just going to put it in on enter. Now you also have the ability to decide how long you want it to play. Right now, I have this slide set up to play for 1 second. You could set it up for 5 seconds. That would be the default on all of the Canva canvases. I'm going to do it 1. So I just click the number 1 and enter, and now it's in there for 1 second. Okay, so let's say that I want something to animate in and out differently. In order to do that, I would need to have chosen an animation that allows me to choose on enter and on exit. And note that not all of them do. I would click duplicate page because I want everything to be in the exact same spot. I would choose my item, and now I'm going to choose on exit, and maybe I want it to breathe. Okay, so just breathing out. So I have a different animation coming in than I do going out. All right, so let's look at it, because what I need to do after every time that I make an animation is check it out. And to do the preview, you just click this play button up in the upper corner. So add animations to Canva, and it's breathing. But see how it's breathing not out. I thought it was going to fade out. Okay, so let's click on it. Let's see. So out must just mean the direction that it breathes. All right, so let's click pop on exit. So it should pop out now. All right, let's play. Let's see if it does it. All right, see, now we've got it done. Now let's say that we just want to add items in a list. So we add a page, and let's go ahead. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to copy this words right here. The first one is going to be, moving my headphones, item number 1. Okay. Now I'm going to copy it. Item number 2. Okay. I'm going to put these two things in the middle of my screen. Okay, I've got 2 items right now. Yeah? All right. But I want them to come in separately. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate my canvas. Boom. All right. Now I'm going to come over to the first slide, and I'm going to make sure I have the first slide selected. And then delete item number 2. Now I'm going to animate item number 1. I want it to pop, and I want it to be just on enter. Now I'm going to animate number 2, and I want it to pop just on enter. Okay, so let's go back and let's click this and make sure that it's doing it's just on enter, and then this one, we go number 2, pop just on enter. Okay, so now let's play it. But wait a second. I don't want these slides to be 5 seconds. So I'm going to click here. Let's do this 1 second. Actually, let's just do it really quick. Let's do 0.5 seconds. Oh, 0.54, enter. 0.5 seconds. And then let's let this one sit here for just a little bit longer. Let's do 2 seconds. All right, because I want them to go in fast. All right, so now we're going to play. Item number 1, item number 2. And see how they come in? But item number 1 had an external, didn't it? So now we're going to pop. So I didn't want that. I'm going to remove the animation on 1. So you always test and play your animations because it kind of like, it leaves them there. Sometimes it'll do weird things. So you always have to test and play them. Okay, so let's say that I want to animate an object. Let's say that I want to have a photo that I've uploaded and I want it to be animated. So let's go up here to my uploads, and I want it to to animate. All right, so if I want this to animate, I just click animate, and I want it to pan in. There you go. So now it's panning, but it's panning, and it's panning on enter. Yep, I clicked it, so it should be. It's a 5-second slide. That's going to be a slow roll. Let's do 2 seconds. Okay, and then if I want it to fade out, then I'm going to duplicate this slide. I'm going to select this again, change it from pan to fade, and choose it to exit. All right. Now, before we test that, I want to show you 2 more ways that you can really easily add animations in Canva. So if I want a paper airplane, I can go to Elements, and I can type in paper airplane, and I can choose all, and then I can apply a filter that says just be animated. And then you see I've got this option for a paper airplane, which is pretty cool, but I have to change the background because it won't let me change the foreground color. If you select an element and it doesn't have the little colored box up here, it means you can't change the color of the element. This is just what you get. Notice though that it gave me 5.4 seconds. I don't want that. Let's just break it back down to 2. And then last but not least, I can also have a video. So if I click on video, then there's this really cool paper airplane graphic here. But notice that it keeps looping, and it's 11.9 seconds. Whoa, I don't want it to be that long. So first and foremost, let's change the background of this to be white. And then I want it to fly off of the screen, so I'm going to move it over here. I might even make it bigger. Ooh, big, awesome. Okay, but back to that 11 seconds problem thing. All right, so see up here where it says it's got the little cutty thing? Cutty things meaning scissors. So we're going to click this, and then I can drag either side until it is where I want it to be. And see how it just kind of slowly plays? Okay. And there you go. All right, so that automatically changed the length of my slide to 1.6 seconds. And there you have it. All right, so let's watch this. Let's take 12 seconds and watch this masterpiece and see if there's any place else that we need to edit it, right? So play. Add animations in Canva. It goes away. Item number 1. Item number 2. Woo! And they just went away, right? So that's kind of cool. Oh, there we go. And then we have our last option. Okay. Now, once you have your video the way that you want it, you're going to click the share button, and you are going to click the download button. From there, you can choose. If you choose JPEG, no moving. PNG, no moving. PDF, no moving. PDF, no moving. Okay, you want to choose MP4 video. If it's a super, super short clip, like let's say that I was just going to save this one right here as a GIF, I could do that. That would look fine. But saving this whole thing as a GIF, the file would take forever to load and it would just be terrible. So we're going to click download. It's an MP4 video. Note that I can choose if I want to get rid of one of these slides right here as well. So, but I don't. I want to export them all together. So let's just click done and let's click download. All right, so next up, if I just wanted to save this guy right here as a GIF, I could click download, and then I would choose GIF, and then I would choose not all pages, but just this one page right here, and then click done, and then I can download that one as a GIF. All right, so there you have it. Now you know how to add animations in Canva and how to shorten your videos and make them into something really cool. Just note that you can also add sound over the top of them, which is really cool. You can add music. There's like music that you can add in, and these are all things in the pro features of Canva. And if you're a nonprofit, you can get those things for free. All right, so if you enjoyed this video or if you learned a thing or two, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we release crazy videos of us explaining things all the time. If you want to learn more about marketing your business or planning your website or marketing your nonprofit, you can join us on Nonprofit Marketing with Purpose. That is our podcast, and we are on all the normal podcast syndicators. And last but not least, we have our website where we write these all up with steps and embed the videos and the audio. And we also have a number of things that you can download to help you grow and master your marketing and all the technology that comes with it, because we are technology people and we are here to help you master it. Thank you.